Do I need to watch television online? Who needs that? And, if we look back at that, I mean, we just recognize how ridiculous it is. I think blockchain is at the very beginning. If I look at the circle of my friends outside of my immediate professional circle, like friends from sports and neighbors, they have little to no exposure at all to blockchain. And obviously, you always need to explain the difference between Bitcoin and blockchain, energy consumption, all these things. But I mean, many just don't even know that. So that shows me we are at the very, very beginning. And yes, lots of money will be lost in the startups that venture capital firms will invest now. Yes, lots of money will be lost. Lots of money will be made. But isn't it always like when you have a new technology that the pendulum needs to swing very hard to the other direction?